relieve various foot ailments. Our feet are the driving force that get us from point A to point B, so it is important that they are in tip-top shape. Let us help you get where you need to be. Our team of developers is made up of myself, Jalen Jenkins.
I'm Asia Blem.
I'm Zach Martin.
I'm Tudor Rimon.
I am Andrea Sade Fels, and
I'm Jason Merrill.
Since we cannot legally give medical advice, our homepage displays a medical disclaimer as well as highlighted pages for user navigation. First, we'll navigate to the ailments page and hand it over to Zach.
Our ailments page is where all of the ailments are listed along with their descriptions and common treatments for each condition. We wanted to use a grid layout for the user to easily navigate through the app. As the user scrolls down, there are also some helpful tips to keep your feet healthy. When hovering over the treatment options in each grid, the user will see a drop-down where they can see the common treatments for that specific ailment and click on the treatment if the user wants more information on a single treatment. This is our single treatment page. As you can see, it provides the name of our treatment at the top of the page. An image that represents the treatment is displayed below the treatment name. We wanted to educate the user about each ailment or each treatment, so we provided a brief description and benefits. The names of our ailments are also clickable links that will take you to our single ailment page. Now I will pass it off to Jalen, who will go over the single ailment page.
Our single ailment page gives the user more information about the ailment they would like to know about. An anatomical depiction, medical description, along with common treatments and product recommendations are displayed. Both lists of treatments and product recommendations are clickable links that will take the user into a deeper dive. Exactly like our previous page, clicking on a treatment takes the user to the treatment page, while clicking on a product recommendation takes the user to a website to learn more about the product. There are many different ways to relieve pain, so next I'll pass it off to Sade to explain the foot massage page.
who can resist a good massage, and who better to do it than you? The massage page was created so users can watch videos that demonstrate how they can perform self-massage techniques and exercises that can aid in their healing and pain relief for each foot ailment. The user can click on each name to go to the specific ailment video that they are looking for so that they are not overwhelmed with all of the options that are available. Let's head over to the quiz page where Aisha will explain what else our users can do.
If the user isn't certain what they're experiencing is listed on our website, they can take our foot ailment quiz. This multiple choice quiz takes the user through a series of questions asking if they're experiencing certain symptoms. At the end, the results are calculated by gathering all the user answers and adding matching ailment types together to determine which ailment has the highest value and displays that ailment as the result. If there is a tie, all tied ailments will display on the page. The quiz itself is built with multiple small React components split based on functionality and what is actually presented to the user. Jason will now go over the podiatrist locator page.
Thank you. This is our podiatrist locator. It is an interactable map set up using Microsoft's Bing Map. We set up the Bing Map with 5 clinics that are pinned in Columbus, Ohio. We also have the clinic's information displayed above the map to help the user find and locate the nearest clinic for help. Next, we will get into the contact us page. Please take it away, CM.
Thank you, Jason. This is our contact page. This page provides the user a form to fill out if they have any questions or concerns, so they can communicate with us. This is an interactive contact form set up by fetching a few APIs key from email.js JavaScript library that can trigger a contact in real time. Upon submission, the user receives an auto-generated email, and it will grab user's input and send email to us. Next, we'll get into About Us page. Please take it away, Sade.
Everyone loves a good story, so here is ours. Each developer gives a background of things like where they come from or where they're currently located, hobbies, and how we each came to love software development. Here, you can see there are clickable links that go to our individual GitHub and LinkedIn profiles where you can learn more about us. We hope you enjoy getting to know us. Now, I'll pass it over to Jason, who will go over our tech stack.
Thank you. Footopolis is a single-page React application that uses VS Code for the front end and IntelliJ for the back end. We utilize JavaScript for front-end functionality and made use of HTML and CSS. We coded the back end in Java. We created a REST API in Java and used an API for the front end as well as an API for the map. We utilize the Scrum board on GitHub to coordinate with each other and to organize our daily tasks and weekly sprints. Slack was used to communicate with each other when we encountered any kind of difficulties. Zach will give us an example of one of our difficulties.
One of the issues that we ran into as a group was how the overall information was going to be presented in our single-page application. For example, we couldn't come to an agreement of how the information should be presented on our ailments page. We overcame all of our problems through close collaboration, utilizing all of the communication tools that we were provided to deliver a polished product. We would like to thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.